revision video. After that you will be in 9th standard. So we'll go for paper style and how to write papers. How to write paper in SS that. Your first question from section A is MCQ. Don't write questions, write only answers, and answer means if in question 1 answer is B, so just write B. No need to write that word which is given in option B. Okay, this is for 10 marks and 10 MCQs are there. Second question is, this is question 1, FP. Do the same thing in FP1. Don't write questions, just write answer. Suppose in first FP, Swami Vivekananda is the answer. So just write 1 and Swami Vivekananda. That's it. No need to write the questions. 5 FPs are there and it is for 5 marks. Now question 3. Question 3 is for true and false. Okay. Same thing we have to do in true and false, that is just write first order, and if the sentence is wrong then write false, and if the sentence is right, write true. Okay, this is the pattern you have to follow. After that we have map the pair. Be careful about this map the pair, means you are doing question number 4, map the pair. Still you are doing like this, A, and if here we have answer, so you are doing this. Don't do this. You have to write is, if here we have A, so if answer is 4, so A and 4. Okay, this way you have to write map the pair. Otherwise your marks will be gone. 5 map the pair is there and you have to complete that 5. Now this is section A. I hope you now have clear idea about that what actually this paper has to be written. In MCQ you have to write just answer, that is first B. In question 2 there are FB and you have to write only answer, but give suitable order. And question 3, true and false are there, so write or give order and write true or false. And map the pair, please remember you have to write map the pair like this, means A 4. This way you have to write map the pair. This is your section A. Okay, please keep this in your mind. After that we will go for section B. Please write this. Next is section B. What to do in section B? Okay, so section B, number 5 is identify me. Suppose in we have, I am the most populated country. Suppose that kind of question is there. So what you have to do is you have to just write the name of that country. Means write only answer. So we know that China stands first. So write only China there. Okay, if in second India is the answer, so write only India. Don't write question please. Okay, this is question 5. Now question 6. Question 6 is define. Okay, it means definition. What actually we have to do is here 9 definitions are given. You have to write only 8. 1 marks it is for 1 marks total. And in definition, let me give you something. See, papers you already have. Suppose we have one word, pollution. Okay, so write this and give definition. Here we have definition, the contamination of air. So definition should be written like this. The contamination of air, water or soil by substance that are harmful to living organism. Okay, this way you have to write definition. So this is question 6. Define. I have just given you the example. Please you keep this in your mind. After that we will go for answer in one line. Now next is question 7. Question 7 is answer in one line. Okay, here you also don't have to write question, just go through answer. Okay, let me give you that. Okay, the question is, how did the Arab traders travel to India? It is just an example. Suppose it is the question that how did the Arab traders travel to India, and answer is through land route. Okay, so we have to write the Arab trader traveled in India through land route. This is the answer, and this way you have to write one line answer in full sentence. Okay, now we'll go for next, that is write a short note. Sorry, this is section B is completed here. Now section C. Section C we have give reason. Question number 8. Give reason. And that is for 2 marks. 2 marks question it is, that's why you have to write 6 to 7 points in 2 marks. Remember students, don't write paragraph, just write point wise. Here I am writing. Okay, and leave one line while you are completing 1 point. This is question 8. Now question 9 is answer in brief. Okay, first you note down please. This is for 3 marks. So when you are attempting 3 marks question, 10 to 12 points are must. Means you have to write 10 to 12 points. Okay. After that we have here write a short note, and that short note is also about 3 marks. Question 10. That is also about 3 marks. So same thing, 10 to 12 points are must for this. So this is your paper state, students. Means this way you have to follow. Now I will give you one example how to write 3 marks question. Okay. First you note down this. After that we will go for that. Let me check if anyone we can discuss here is. Let's take one point. Okay, let's take this Champaran Satyagraha. How to write that full answer that I am giving you. There are 2 questions which has 3 marks. That is question number 9. Question number 9 and 10. So how to write that? The question is Champaran Satyagraha. And this is asked in 3 marks. So how to write this? Okay, let me read this from here. Champaran was a place in Bihar near Nepal in Himalayan valley. So this should be your first topic, like this. See. Champaran was a place in Bihar near Nepal in Himalayan valley. See, this is our first one. Means this way you have to write. Now you have to underline the keyword, and the keyword is in Bihar, in Himalayan valley, near Nepal. These are our keywords, so that you have to underline like this. Secondly, now don't start writing from here. You have to leave one line, and after that you have to write second point. It was very famous for plantation. It was very famous for plantation. Okay, this is our second point. So our keyword is for plantation, and okay, only this plantation. This will remind you to write this point. Now number 3 is the British landlords on third 20 portion of their land. They also forced them to sell that indigo at lower price to Britishers. See, in number 3 we have 2 points. So first point we have written here that the British landlords. So that should be our keyword. Forced the local farmer to produce indigo on third 20 portion of their land. So this way you have to underline keywords. See how does it look? It looks very beautifully, and I mean your presentation should be attractive. So please you write like this. Means underline keywords, give one line after one point, and please write like this. You just keep this thing in your book. After that we will go for another topics. Next point is, then they also forced them to sell that indigo at lower price. To the British. Okay, and the keywords are to sell indigo at lower price. That way you have to underline. Next is Rajkumar Shukla requested Gandhiji to inquire this issue. Okay, so here our keywords are Rajkumar Shukla inquired issue. Okay, next is Gandhiji agreed to help the farmers of Champaran. So here Gandhiji helped farmers. Okay, these are our keywords. So now you have clear idea that what way you have to write 2 marks question and 3 marks question. This is just an example. This is not completed answer. I have just given you example how to write and what to underline. Okay, please you keep this. Okay students, so this is for today's video. As I told you that atmosphere is becoming so horrifying. So please don't come out from your home. Please take care and stay in your home. Stay safe. Okay, bye.